Prove that root of 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A is equal to cosecant A minus cot A. LHS is equal to root of 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A is equal to root of 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into rationalize denominator, that is 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A is equal to root of 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A whole square divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is equal to 1 minus cos square A is equal to root of 1 minus cos A whole square divided by 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A is equal to root of 1 minus cos A whole square divided by sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos A by sin A is equal to 1 by sin A minus cos A by sin A is equal to 1 by sin A is equal to cosecant A minus cos A by sin A is equal to cot A is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. If theta be an acute angle and phi cosecant theta is equal to 7, then evaluate sin theta plus cos square theta minus 1. Given phi cosecant theta is equal to 7, phi by sin theta is equal to 7, sin theta is equal to phi by 7. Sin theta plus cos square theta minus 1 is equal to sin theta minus of 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin theta minus 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta is equal to sin theta is equal to 5 by 7 minus sin square theta is equal to 5 by 7 whole square, that is 25 divided by 49 is equal to LCM 49, 7 sevens are 49, 7 into 5 is equal to 35 plus minus 49 ones are 49, 1 into 25 is equal to 25 is equal to 35 minus 25 is equal to 10 divided by 49.